In this video, we are going to take a look at very uncommon macOS feature but very useful at the same time. So make sure to watch this whole video. Let's begin. The feature I am going to tell you is about hot corners on your Mac. Now you may be wondering to yourself, why are hot corners even useful? Why do you use them? Let me give you a quick example. You are probably looking at my desktop and thinking, that is a messy desktop. Why do you work like that? Well, that's the way I kind of work, and I just have a whole bunch of apps open at once and do a lot of multitasking, but it's actually really easy with this feature. I'm gonna show you why. So I have notes open here and I want to add an image to this note, but the image is actually on my desktop. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use hot corner in the left bottom of the screen to view the desktop quickly so that I can drag something from my desktop directly to these notes. I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. So I'm gonna drag my cursor down to the left corner of screen and I'm doing it slowly so you can see what's actually happening. And now I have access to my desktop, but the other windows and everything else is still open. They have just been kind of hidden for a second while I find the file or image on my desktop that I need. So I'm gonna take this image here and I'm just gonna drag it right back to the bottom left corner of screen like this. And look, everything is displayed again, and now I can simply drop that here in this note. Now I did that really slow so I could show you guys how it works. But let me show you how it works in real world scenario when I'm actually working. I'm gonna drag down, find the file I want, then drag back and just drop like that, so you could see why this is so handy having hot corners to show desktop. But that's not at all hot corners can do. I also have a hot corner configured to show my launchpad, which allows me to quickly access any app that I have on my Mac. So I'm just gonna put the cursor in the upper left corner and that show the launchpad. Now look, I have access to my all app directly on launchpad, and when I am done or don't want to launch any application, I just put back my cursor on upper left corner and that will take me back to the screen I was. So that is another one of the shortcut I use. And one more corner that I use is really handy is to show all the windows associated with a running app. So say I have a Chrome here and I want to open up this window here, and there is actually another window in Chrome open right now, or say any other tab open in Chrome somewhere in my desktop or maybe minimized. So what can I do is I can show all associated windows by using this hot corner that I can figure in the upper right corner of screen like this. And now I see that there is one more window associated with Chrome and I can quickly switch between them. Now you may be wondering that what if one of those windows were minimized? I'm gonna show you right now. So I'm gonna minimize this window here, and now I'm gonna do the same command to show associated windows all right now. You see where the minimize window is down here at the bottom, and this is just mission control. I mean, all I am doing is assigning shortcuts via the hot corner to mission control command, and that you can normally access with keyboard shortcuts. But this makes it so easy and handy to quickly perform different actions. Now let me show you how to configure hot corners. So all you do is open up system preferences and then go to mission control, and down right there you see option of hot corners. Just click that and here are options to select hot corners. So as you saw, left corner shows desktop, upper left corner shows launchpad, and right top corner shows application window, and on bottom right corner I have selected to put display on sleep. So you have a few things to select from here. You can select anyone from the given options as per your need, and if you don't want, then you can select the inactive option and nothing will happen when you drag your cursor to the corner. And one last tip, you can actually combine these commands with the keyboard command. If I hold either the option Control, Shift, or Command keys on my keyboard. I can actually assign them with those commands. So for instance, if I do that, then the desktop won't actually show when I put my cursor in the bottom left corner unless I am holding the command button. So that's just something to keep in your mind. If you mistakenly move your cursor anywhere, then you should combine these keyboard buttons and hot corners, or else you are good to use so easily. So this is how I use hot corner feature. It makes my workflow so much simpler and it is a part of my daily usage and I highly recommend you to check it out.